Alright, good morning everybody. Welcome to the wood shop. What it is, what it ain't. Alright. So I made a mini bat yesterday. I was just fooling around and turned that, and I turned it from an old rake handle that I had saved. Right there. And I put a little bit of stain on it. And so I got to thinking, why don't we make a little bit bigger one? So let's make a bigger mini bat, if you will. And so what I've got here is this old shovel handle. And so you can see there it still says Union on there. And I think this might be hickory. I'm not entirely sure on that. Don't quote me on that one. And so we're going to turn it a little bit bigger. I've got my camera mounted up here on my mirror, so you guys will have a good action shots hopefully with that. And so there it is, all chucked up, ready to go. Got my drive spur mounted in, and we're using our live center. And I did get a center finder too. My wife gave me that for Christmas, for Jesus' birthday. So there you go. That's pretty helpful. With that, we'll show you some more of that when we do that again. And so there you go. So let's get to turning. Alright, so I sanded. I started out with 60 and then 120 and 220. So I got it pretty smooth. I'm not going to go over it one more time. But basically that's that part. And so what I'll do now is I'll keep chipping away at this, because what I want to do is create a hollow point. a concave, I should say, inside to this, like kind of like a real bat, and do that in. And so let me keep working on that, and so I'm going to show you when I finish this up. Okay. success. All right, did you see that? I love that part. See, I got to clean that up a little bit. I love that part when you cut it off. So there it is. There's a, okay, I'll show you. Mini bat, and a real bat. I didn't make this bat. This was the Louisville Slugger. That one there. So, you know, the thing about a mini bat, the proportions are off just a little bit, but it's pretty nice. I shaped the handle a little different on this one than that one. I kind of did this one more like the real one, and I did this one a little different. But there you go, mini bat. Hopefully Cole will like this, and thanks for coming along. This is pretty long, so of course I sped it up a little bit so you wouldn't have to watch the whole thing. You could kind of watch it a little bit quicker. So anyway, I hope you like the mini bat thing, and thanks for stopping by the wood shop. Take it easy.